Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Shiprocket with Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to go to wix.com, log in into your account, and open up the admin page for your Wix website. Now, what we need to do next is we need to install the app itself. So at the left section here or in the left panel, you should be able to see the following options. So at the very bottom, you should see the app section. Go ahead and hover over it and go to App Market. Now under App Market, what we need to do is we need to look for Shiprocket. So go to the search app section here, just type in Shiprocket, and from here just press on enter so that you'll be able to see it. In this case, this Shiprocket, go ahead and click on it. And from here, it's going to say Shiprocket requires you to install Wix stores. So in this case, we need to first install Wix stores here. Click on go to Wix stores, click on add to site. And from here, it's going to say adding Wix stores. Just click on go to dashboard or go to editor here. Now in this case, let's go to editor here. Now from here, let's just choose the option for pick a template. And from here, just choose any template that you want to use. So for example, let's just click on this one, edit. And from here, just choose customize previous design. Now, once you've done that, it's going to load up your website editor here. So let's just wait for it. Now in this case, just wait for the Wix stores section to be actually installed into your website. But once it's actually installed, just hit on the publish button at the top right of your screen. And from there, let's just go back into the app market. Again, go to publish and let's just go back to app market. Now from here, Shiprocket should now be available. Just click on add to site. It's going to load up another tab here. Click on agree and add, and it should now be, the installation process should now start. Now from here, it's going to say registration failed because of the errors. Your Wix account does not have desired business information. So if you get this following pop-up, so make sure that you fill out your business information first before going into this UI here. But once you've done that, you just need to enter the following information, which includes your first name, company name, email ID, password, and how many orders do you ship in a month. Now also, you could use your Google or Facebook account to start using or basically create a free account on their platform. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.